It went live just as I was finishing the chip in my mouth. So how's everyone doing? I am working on a metered square. I am looking at doing another blanket, but I wanted to check out this pattern. I haven't done anything like this before. I've done granny squares, but nothing like this. I did one earlier. If I stretch it a little, it does look like a square. This time I am trying with the stitch marker to keep track of the center. So and this is nighttime siesta. I don't know what brand it is or anything, but I'm doing it in purple and blue. Duh, I could grab this one. This is Nap Time Siesta by Lion Brand. So I have the yarn down here in a bucket. And that way it's not on the floor. The other night my pit bull was back here with me. So I am learning this, and it's going to look kind of like that. You have to line them up like that. So I hope everyone's good. This is only my second time live on YouTube. Yesterday I went live for almost 44 minutes, 45 minutes, something like that. I'm just trying to build myself up, build up my reputation, and be able to grow my channel. So if you happen to catch me, you can like, you can subscribe, all of that, it's all up to you. I had too many strokes in 2019, and crocheting is for love and therapy. I have two things flashing here. Hold on a sec. All right, sorry about that. Forcing a crochet hook into my hand helped to straighten out my hand. There's a lot of people lately who's been having strokes and stuff like that. I thought I had a pinched nerve, and it was actually too many strokes. And one whole side went numb. So you will have to watch that. If that happens to you, go in right away. My dogs are outside driving me nuts. They're barking at nothing. Dang dogs. So this is day 2 for me on YouTube. I'm going live. So I never thought before to. I thought I seen that come up once before, but I called Melissa up and I was like, "Hey, this says I could go live. You're supposed to have like so many subscribers or whatever before you go live, but I don't have that many, so I'm gonna take it for now and do my lives." So I am just working on this metered square. It is a single crochet stitch, and I'm grabbing the back loop only. So it is putting a little pattern in the square on both sides. So this yarn is really, really soft. It is a 4-weight worsted, medium 4-weight. And this is 100% polyester. And this is a machine wash, lay flat to dry. So I usually use acrylic on like everything or for everything or whatnot. But this is the first time I've ever had 100% polyester. So we're going to see how it is to work with so I'm counting squares and not squares, stitches. And the inside of these metered squares are going to be 5 inches. So, it says I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I had to count those. Yes, I did. I have planted some sweet peppers and some hot peppers today, and some cilantro and parsley and basil and oregano and house cleaning. I only have 1 tomato plant so far this year. Say, what? I need to go get some. So, here we are. I won't go get any until like Monday. I don't want to plant my cucumbers quite yet because my dogs won't stay out of my cucumber bed. Brad never got in there before, but now he gets in there. And I just dropped my stitch marker. I never really used stitch markers until this year. I'm struggling to do it up though. So, my nose hurts. It's all red on one side. If I get all the dry skin off of it, then maybe it'll start to go away. I did not put my moisturizer stuff on today. Yeah, this pink color is called Pink Rose. Not sure what color this purple is called. I only have one of the pink rose ones. So maybe I'll do a blanket with that and do up some different colors of yarn. I have pink, purple, blue, white. So, and the white I have a little bit more. Kind of need to count these rows on that one, but I'll probably only do like 20 minutes on here. That still gives people plenty of time to watch it. Maybe I'll just do 15. I did 18 on Facebook today. And now my YouTube channel. Now this next row I'm going to have to count before the center one, so then I can know like how many rows I'm on. Or hopefully that'll help tell me how many rows I'm on. There's one, whoops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. I don't know. So, I am at 15 minutes. No one has hopped on here with me. So I'm going to go ahead and get off of here. And I got to see if I have packages coming in. I know I'm supposed to. And they didn't show up in regular mail. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. Love ya. Bye.